Hey guys, welcome back once again. As you can see a program on your screen, you have to find error or output of this program. So start guessing, your time start now. Okay guys, time up. So let me explain this program to you. I have declared one variable x with value 97. And in second line, what I am doing, I am trying to find size of this x, and while passing x, I am doing post increment. And finally, I am printing the value of x. Okay, so let me print here. As you can see here, I am getting 97, right? So while the using size of operator, we cannot perform this operation, right? It's not a compilation error. It will execute perfectly fine, but it will not increment. Let me do this for the post increment. Sorry, pre increment. Okay, so still you can see here I am getting 97, right? So basically here we cannot perform any kind of operation inside size of, because we are going to find size of a variable. Okay, so okay guys, that's it for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.